So you want to do some water with me? We got running water. I run over to here, it runs out of the barrel, and I run back in and I dump it in. That's
Why?
our running water. Why? Well, because we didn't quite get the ditch finished in time for the running water from the cistern, so we have to go up to the well, fill this bad boy up, bring it back down and empty it slowly into big barrels in the houses for animals and people.
How often?
We have to do this, we stretch it, it's once every week. So it's basically, it's what we do on Saturday or Sunday. So we got 2 cabins, and we're gonna go fill this one up first. Deep into the wells of the tiny house we go.